2 weeks drying in the fridge, and the bacon is now ready. So we'll unwrap it and we'll have a look. I haven't checked it before now, since last week, but I know it'll be fine. It's certainly feeling a lot firmer, which means a lot of the liquid has come out of it. Well, not a lot of the liquid, but some of the liquid has come out of it. Doing a bad job of unwrapping it. Like a child on Christmas Day. There we go, certainly looks like bacon. Smells like bacon. That's that. Lovely. We'll take a slice. Obviously I've left the rind on, so we'll cut a bit of the rind off. I did have it on. I'll do it this way, and then we'll fry some, and then you can see what it's like. I know you're supposed to leave the rind on, all the gourmets and all that, but I don't want to. Cut through the fat. So. Now, take that off. There we go. Now, doesn't that look like proper bacon? So, I'll carve some more, and I will cook it in the frying pan, and I'll have a bacon sandwich, and you can see how well it fries. However, you can start using it at that stage, so it looks like that, or you can dry it out further so it becomes like this. Just leave it wrapped in the muslin cloth, and in the fridge or somewhere where it's got a nice cool airflow, and it dries out over time. It's about 6 months old, this, and it creates that lovely air-dried bacon, which you can eat raw. It obviously shrinks a lot, but it's absolutely lovely as that, and it's something I've always got in the fridge. There's that backup store of something meaty, proteiny, that's full of flavour. So if you want to carry on drying it out, that's what it eventually turns out like. It takes a few months, but that's it. So we'll start frying some bacon, and you can see what it's like when it's frying. Right, so bacon's frying. I've just added a little bit of fat to the pan because there wasn't that much fat on the bacon. But as you can see, it's not shrunk very much. It's getting nice and crispy. So that'd be lovely. I think what I am going to do is I am going to wrap the bacon in a clean muslin cloth. I just think it needs. The cloth was getting a little bit wet. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the bacon in a clean muslin cloth, and then that'll just help it dry out longer in the fridge. Yeah, I think you can. If you can see, right, there's some, like, those parts there are a little bit discoloured and a little bit damp, and I think that will lead to a little bit of culture growth, a little bit of bacteria growing there. So I'm going to use clean cloths and re-wrap them again, and then I'll keep the bacon for a longer time in the fridge. It'll dry out nicely and go like, is it prosciutto? I can't remember, but like proper dry cured bacon. It'll be lovely. That's it. If you want to go making your own bacon, as a little bit of a project, it takes a month, but it's ready after 2 weeks if you don't want to do the air dry process bit. But it's lovely, and it will be the best bacon you've ever tasted, if I'm honest. And obviously the better quality pork you use, the even better it will get. So if you want to start with some cheap pork belly, and then progress your way up to some like rare breed pork, organic or that type of thing, it'll taste even better. So there we go. Or if you've got your own pigs and you want to have a go at making your own bacon, it's a good thing to do. But anyway, that's it for bacon, until I decide to do it again.